Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ultrasound frame. First, select a picture frame that fits your ultrasound image. You'll also need the ultrasound print itself, along with some basic crafting tools. Consider the frame's style and color to match your home decor. This project is a wonderful way to preserve a precious memory. We'll walk through each step to ensure a beautiful result. Now let's talk about the specific items you'll need. Beyond the frame and ultrasound, grab a pair of sharp scissors or a craft knife for precise trimming. A ruler will be helpful for accurate measurements. If you want to add a personal touch, consider decorative paper or a mat board. Protecting your precious image is key, so choose materials carefully. With your materials ready, it's time for assembly. Gently position your trimmed ultrasound image within the frame's opening. If you're using a mat, place it over the image before securing the back. Ensure the image is centered and straight. Close the frame's backing securely, making sure all tabs are fastened. This step brings your project to life. Your ultrasound frame is almost complete. Give the glass a quick wipe with a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any smudges. Now, find the perfect place to display your beautiful new keepsake. It could be on a shelf, a bedside table, or even part of a gallery wall. This frame will be a constant reminder of a special time. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.